Hi there. Welcome to the disturbing, interesting history of Coney Island and the incubator babies at the 1901 Pan Am World's Fair. So here's a fun fact. These structures were built to only last 6 months. They were apparently made out of staff, which is a plaster-like material composed of plaster Paris, hemp fiber, and cement. So this place earned the nickname of the Rainbow because of its ornate, brightly colored construction.
Don't forget, these are the same people that said we went to the moon.
Dr. Martin Coney, who never had a record of being an actual doctor or having a medical degree, is credited of saving about 7,000 premature babies.
What?
He operated the popular infant incubator, and it was an attraction in the Midway at Coney Island, which was named after him, by the way. So following the success of his traveling fair exhibits, he established a permanent infantorium at Coney Island in Luna Park in 1903 to 1943. Visitors also paid to see these tiny premature infants. Also, some were adopted out, echoing the folktale of the Cabbagepatch baby. They were also called child hatcheries. The iconic lighting at Coney Island's park transformed the park into a global spectacle, and Electric Eden was the term coined for the park, when only 8% of American households had electricity at this time. Luna Park was a pioneer in large-scale architectural illumination, including exotic spires, minarets, and domes. The electric tower was the centerpiece of the grounds, and it had a warm, magical glow. The beacon tower was 375 feet, was covered in 100,000 pure white lights, costing $100 per night. The fair ended on November 2nd, 1901. It was overshadowed by the assassination of President William McKinley and saw a significant financial deficit. So what seems to be the common theme is most of these World's Fair buildings are built with a plaster and lath type of material, and they all seem to be just put up and then taken down 6 months later.
What?
Also, there are many partial remains and some actual buildings remaining, and none of them are made out of plaster or lath. Just saying. Well, what do you know? The Cabbagepatch babies. In 1901? And that's an extremely handsome looking woman that's taking care of these little babies.
Oh my God.
Her name was Alice Guy Blanche. She was the director and star of the 1896 film L'Allée aux Choux, The Cabbagepatch Fairy, which was the first narrative film ever made. These postcards and stills depict a mystical woman in the garden finding infants among the leaves, playing on the old French folktale that boys are born in cabbages and girls are born in roses. The Cabbagepatch was an actual real impoverished neighborhood in Louisville, Kentucky, where Mary Bass lived. Thank you for watching the video. We're just kind of scratching the surface on the World's Fairs, incubator babies, and orphan trains. Maybe the next video we'll take a little look into the orphan trains. The early 1800s and 1900s are extremely fascinating. History is definitely lies agreed upon.